Welcome to this beginner's tutorial on using Java for building and testing machine learning models. In this video, we will learn the basics of how to use Java for creating and fine-tuning machine learning models, which can be used in various real-life applications. Java is a versatile and robust language that can be used in a variety of applications. It's an object-oriented language and provides strong tools for machine learning. Let's get started with how to set up your environment. First, make sure you have the latest version of Java installed. You can check this by typing Java version in the terminal or command prompt. Next, download and install the latest version of Apache Mahout, which is a powerful machine learning framework that allows you to build scalable, distributed machine learning applications. Once you have Mahout installed, you can start building your machine learning models. The first step is to choose a dataset that you want to use for your model, then use Mahout to process and analyze that data. Mahout has various powerful algorithms that can be used for processing and analyzing data. You can choose one of these based on your requirements and data characteristics. After building and training your model, you need to test it to verify its accuracy and performance. For this, you can again use Mahout to test your model on your selected data. Mahout provides built-in tools for testing and evaluating machine learning models. In conclusion, Java is a powerful language for building and testing machine learning models. Apache Mahout is a robust framework that allows you to scale your machine learning models for real-world applications. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start building your own machine learning models in Java today. Thanks for watching and happy coding!